You're watching Cooking with Love. Do not change that dial or else DPS will come and get you.
You gotta teach me that one. Hey.
Alright, next. I always dance on cooties. You are watching Cooking with Love. Keep it locked.
Alright guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Cooking with Love. And this week episode, taking it a little bit different because I'm all the way right here in West Palm Beach. And I'm right here at DAS Protection Service. And when you talk about you need that security for your home, even for your personal security guard, just to take care of your property and make sure everything is good, these are the guys to call. Plus they also train you the right way to apply for your firearm pistol to protect yourself and protect your family and protect your property. Nothing kill nobody. You don't have to shoot to kill. You can shoot at the legs, you can shoot at the foot, you can shoot at the butt, wherever you want, but it's all about saving life, protect your property. To kill anyone is just to protect your property and also protect your life, and just safety come first, and he's going to explain the right way to handle a pistol, firearm, just to keep yourself safe and protect. But we want to find out if Patrick can cook. You want to find out if he can cook? I want to find out if he can cook. So keep it locked. Don't go nowhere. Cooking with Love crazy. Alright guys, so now we're back, and you see that the right way, and the man himself who's going to teach you and explain to you what dive service does right here, protection service, in making sure you take care of yourself, take care of your property, and stay safe, and explain the right way to use a firearm and the wrong way not to use it. Mr. Patrick Dice,
Yes, sir.
What's going on, my brother? Bless
Good,
up, man. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Pleasure having you.
You see, you look like a police officer. You used to be a police officer,
Yes,
or
sir,
you were in the
yes.
military?
Police back home. Police back home in Jamaica.
Oh, where in Jamaica you're from?
Clarendon. Original.
So where Clarendon in?
Original dance from Clarendon.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. Original Clarendon right here, and he's doing great things right here in Miami. West Palm. Where are you located? This is West
We're
Palm Beach?
originally in West Palm Beach, but we go all over.
Okay.
All over the entire state of Florida. And we do some work out of Florida too.
Okay. So personal, you also do personal security guard.
Yes,
For
yes.
individual, like when you
Yes.
have a celebrity that's in town,
Right.
and even not a celebrity, someone of public figure who need
Right.
protection for many
Definitely,
different reasons.
definitely.
They'll reach out to you.
Yes, yes, we do that.
And how does that service work? They call you and they explain
They'll call
as
me
to
up.
what as to what their needs are.
You're right, they will call me up and say we're going to be in town for a few days. They need to be low key and all
Okay.
that, and we'll pick them up airport, transport them wherever, and make them feel safe. You know, 100%.
Yeah. I'm gonna need a security guard too. So at the end of the day, we have already a plan that he's gonna be coming with me to Jamaica just to make sure everything is nice and kosher. Not even just Jamaica, because you don't know.
Right.
Man, I grow, things are going. You have to make sure so you're safe. See,
Always there when you need us.
always there. That's what I'm talking about. But as I say, how many years now you've been in operation?
I've been doing this for about 12 years now.
Wow.
12 years.
Wow. So you,
Strong.
and I can see you always teach so many people, and I see a lot of celebrity that's come through here
Yes.
in getting, when they want to register for their firearm, what are some of the key things that you'd ask them when they come in saying they want to protect their property or themselves?
Good question. First thing I will ask, are you straight, or in our term, you have a green card,
Yeah.
you know, you're a resident of Florida. Questions like those. No criminal conviction.
Yes.
Once they answer those questions, they're good to go.
They're good to go. And the process will take a period of time because after you certify them, there's still another step that they have to go.
And that's, the other step is just take that certification to the state of Florida and pay a small fee.
Okay.
And that license will last for 7 years, and they can take it to several different states to protect themselves.
Nice. I gotta ask you a question. When you're home and you're cooking, what do you like to cook? Don't tell me about no oxtail, no curry goat, something different that is not Jamaican that you cook a lot of times.
All right. Well,
Man, I said pizza, wait.
no, sardine soup.
You see this now? Sardine soup, like for real? Guys, you ever hear of the sardine soup? Is there such a thing?
Probably not.
Unless it's the fresh sardine. Not the one out of the can, not the Brunswick.
No, well, the brand doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
As you know, as a little poor boy growing up in Clarendon, grandfather was a farmer.
Oh.
So the yam, the banana, the dashing, all those things were there.
Okay.
And you have 10 brethren, 10 family members, and you only have one sardine.
One sardine. So you have to make a soup. Everybody get that
Exactly.
taste of it. Guys, we'll soon come back. When we come back, we're going to reveal what we're going to cook. Keep it locked. And you see that? You see what goes on the range? So tell us a little bit. As I realized a while ago, while we were here, you have some of the staff that comes in. No, they're not staff.
Students.
They're students and
yes.
staff also come in.
Right.
But I realized there are many different genres. They're old, they're young.
Right.
Everybody just feel they
United
need to protect
Nation.
their United Nation.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
everybody want to protect
everybody
themselves.
want to protect themselves. You know, we can't wait on the police officers to do it for us anymore, guys.
Yes.
You know, sometimes we have to do it for ourselves.
Yes.
So most of them came for concealed weapon training or for security training. It's very lucrative, you know, security. You can always need security.
You always need
Just like you always need nurses and doctors. You know, again,
Nice.
the police can't be there all the time. So some places need security to protect them. So we train people here
Right.
to be security officers too, as
Nice.
well as to protect yourself personally and your properties.
Nice. We're gonna do a nice salmon dish. How do you like salmon? You love salmon?
Yeah, I'll eat it with the prefer sardine.
Your professor.
I'll eat salmon. Yes.
Well, you like salmon
Yes.
and red snapper.
Right, oh yeah.
Red snapper.
Really
you
hard
can't
man
go wrong
thing.
with it. Really hard man
Yes,
thing.
yes.
So we're gonna do a jerk barbecue salmon.
Okay.
Real simple,
Alright.
real easy. So between me and you know, we're gonna work together as a team. Right here, you have some Cajun season. You have some Old Bay season.
Right.
We have paprika. We have a little bit of black pepper, and we have some pepper flakes, garlic powder. So
Right.
we're gonna sprinkle on top. Nice. All right. So go ahead and help me
Yes,
at the same time.
yes.
So as you say, you're originally born in Clarendon.
Yes, sir.
How many years now you've been in Florida? You always been in Florida, or
No,
you
no.
other state before?
Like everybody else, went up north first.
Okay.
As you know, we don't think Florida is foreign.
Florida foreign.
Too close to yard. You know, so in the more
Yes. Yeah. You can put a little bit of pepper flakes
Right.
and a little bit of paprika. Yeah, as you were saying.
So went up north first, tried the up north thing, realized that sin one means no friend.
Yeah. That's
So-
for me in New York.
You know,
Yeah.
here we are, Florida, you know, doing it well.
I'm doing it well.
Real, you know, home training. So he was a farmer. Matter of fact, he only had one arm.
Wow.
One, and that man could use a fork and, you know, prepare the land as best as he could with
Yes.
that one arm. And you would think it was, you know, a machine that did it. So,
Wow.
you know, I grew up with him and I watch him plant, and, you know, you name it, he could grow it.
He
with
could
that
grow
one
it.
hand, you know, so he was my first role model, and I miss him every day. And he teach us simple things.
Yeah.
Cook your food, grow your food, cook your food, prepare your food.
Yes, yes.
Even without meat.
Wow, as a farmer.
Yes, yes,
Nice.
yes.
But you see, this is one of the things, stuff that you learn from the older folks, your family member, your grandfather, your dad. You can pass it down to what you're doing now in life.
True.
And I know you do a lot for the community here.
Yes,
You give
yes.
back, you go to schools, you talk to kids, you motivate and inspire.
We do as much as we can.
You do as much. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. But we need you back at Jamaica for come hang out with me. Because when I'm going around to the schools and colleges, I'm going to pull you along with me.
Well, I'll be there.
Alright.
You call and I'm there.
Right. So right now, our salmon is looking real good. So now this is where the fun part comes in on. You ever do the nice massage of this? Just rub it up. You see how this look, guys? Nice marinade, right? What we have here, we have some Cajun, we have some Old Bay season, we have some black pepper, a little bit of pepper flakes, and we have some jerk barbecue and jerk season.
As we said back home, look a bit of everything.
Little bit of everything in there. All right. So now we're gonna massage. We're gonna marinate it, and then put it in the pot, and then put all the ingredients.
On behalf of my fellow classmates here at DPS, I just want to say a big thank you to the instructor, the first secretary, and everyone who passed through and gave their knowledge. Our instructor was well informed, we were well informed, and this course was great. A1, thank you.
I have to second that. I think the instructor was well informed and gave us a lot of information that we can definitely take into the field and be more equipped and more and be ready to go ahead and follow through with our duties.
And on behalf of Miguel, I thank you and I appreciate all of you for coming. Alright? Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Alright? Thank you. Alright? I'm running out of fist. I'm running out of Unison. And what's the name of that business place west of this location? East. East. What is the name of it?
Renaissance.
What is it? Let me know.
We have the white cloth.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at this before. So we gotta get it clean looking like this once it's finished. Alright, yeah. So a bit more elbow grease. So look at this side right here.
We have the white cloth.
Yeah.
Oh.
It says we can use these, right? In a non-deadly manner. What happened?
Use of unlawful force are to prevent or terminate trespass or
Right. So non-deadly manner.
They hear that, they're gonna start with it.
Right? Yeah. We gotta know where to use it. So you're not gonna do it immediately. You warn them first. And so if they refuse, then the law says
necessary for self-defense or defense of another against the
a crime scene defined the area in which an act or omitted in violation of a fact is issued in a judicial case or controversy. True or false? Guys don't sound so assertive.
Imminent death or great bodily harm. The use of deadly force to protect property or to prevent property loss and prohibited by law.
Is what? Prohibited by law. So in a layman terms, guys, what this is saying, if it is property, we cannot use deadly force to protect property. However, the situation changes if it's in a private setting. You understand? Somebody's trying to steal your bag. Nobody can tell you nothing, right? Someone wants to steal your Gucci bag, you don't have a problem with you, right? But if you're working in a store and somebody's trying to steal that from the store, you're working as a security officer, it's different. You cannot use deadly force until you are being attacked. It is imminent, immediately, or the person. Congrats, sir. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Alright, congratulations, guys.
Firearm. And chef, this is looking real good right now. And y'all going with things.
Yes, yes.
So as you can see, guys, here what we did, we put some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper. We also put some onion and some scallion and some fresh thyme. So we're building the sauce right now, and we also put some butter inside of it.
Yes.
And that you're the chef, right?
Yes, sir. Turn on and make fashion.
Turn on and make fashion. You know, but one other thing that we also have to talk about, because you don't know, a lot of time people are walk around with knife on certain things.
Yes, yes.
It's not safe and it's not good, because you'll get arrested for it just the same.
Nah, and guys, the big thing as Chef Simpson says, you know, walking around in the United States, it's not like back home when you walk around with your knife for your protection.
Yes.
Here, once you're carrying a weapon concealed on you, you're supposed to have a concealed weapon permit. So it covers your firearm and your knife. So even though you may only have a green card, you can get a concealed weapon permit. Because if the police pull you over and you have that knife on you, they can arrest you for it.
They can arrest you for that.
And it's a deportable offense. So guys, get your
I didn't even know that.
Yes,
you
sir,
can have a knife,
yes, sir.
and because you don't have your green
from
card,
work and all of that, you know, just simply coming from work and you use it at work,
yeah,
you can still be arrested.
Wow. So you hear that, guys? Get your conceal,
Get your
to
concealed
carry,
weapon.
so that way you know you're protected and you're safe and you're good. Yeah. And the man a big chef right here, and the man put some okra.
Okra.
Yeah, so no more, guys. So listen, where people can find you and your address and so forth, they can follow you online.
Yes,
they
can follow me. They can follow me online. Instagram, Dias Protection Services, one word, Dias Protection Services. Same thing on Facebook, DPS Now on Twitter.
Yes.
Or, you know, I'm right locally here in West Palm Beach, or you can call me up, you know, 561-339-8669, 561-339-8669, or you can call the office 561-223-2717, you know.
Yes. And you can come here, maybe we'll cook something for you at the same time.
Yes.
Because right now this is looking real good.
Yes,
Chef are going with things.
Real love happening right here.
And I'm serving this real simple, guys. I'm doing some sauteed spinach. Real nice, real simple and easy. Because sometimes, it's not all the time you want the rice and you want all the starch. Sometimes you just want some nice veg.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's turn that down right there. Sauce is looking good. Boom. Saute this. Alright, so right now your fish is looking good. I see you already put the fish on the plate. So you can just drizzle some sauce right there, and I'm gonna then put the spinach.
There we go.
Nice.
Nice.
Chef, looking real good. Flavorful, simple, and looking real good. As a matter of fact, we're gonna get someone to find out if you can actually real cook. I think your wife is in the building here, so we're gonna let her sample, and then she can tell if you can cook. But this is looking real good. You did a great job, chef.
Thank you. Good teaching. Good teaching.
Nice. Let me grab a little bit more of this because you're done already. We want the plate to look real nice. So we're just gonna, presentation. We're just gonna make everything look nice and pretty. Use up all the veg and everything that we have. Real flavorful meal. Look on that. Something totally different.
Yeah.
Bam!
Looking good.
Look on that, guys. See that? Chef, I saw we do it. The man ain't only protect, you know. The man also a big chef. Let them see. See?
Here you go, guys.
Soon come back.
Alright.
We're gonna go right into tasting.
Guys, as you can see, the chef has left the building and I take over. DPS at your service. Now I have this lovely lady here, my wife, who's gonna do the tasting to tell me how it is. You think you can cook?
Well, I can say, bye to the kitchen. So, I'll cook dinner later.
I'll try.
Tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. Alright? Alright.
Guys, it was a pleasure doing this with love with Chef Simpson. Guys, you can follow me at on IG, Dias Protection Services, one word, or Facebook, Dias Protection Services, Twitter, DPS Now 6. It was a pleasure cooking with Chef Simpson. Thank you, sir. One love. Alright guys, remember, always, safety first, safety first. At this point, you know, I'm out of the
with
kitchen.
my lunch. See you later.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Anyway.
Alright.
Now you guys know I can cook. Let's see if Chef Simpson can shoot. We're going to the gun range. Talk to you later, guys. One love. Peace. And the trigger, bring it back down. Lock your left thumb on the side right upon the trigger, right? On the side, bring your front side more to the right and lean more into it. Lean into it. Okay. If you, whatever happens, do not carry your hand down, just keep your hand up, whatever happens. Lean into it. Front side. Lean again forward. Bye. Very good. Watch it. Lift the first. Hold it straight. Lean again into him. Alright.
Clear.
Magazine out.
Yeah. Got this. You can shoot.
Go off the
You can
trigger.
shoot, guys.
Save the first. Save the first. If you're not shooting, go off the trigger. Load up some more. Alright.
Side. Even though I accidentally shot the hostage, but I kill the hostage taker. So that's the bright side. This will heal, but he's dead. All right? Great thing. He's dead, but this will heal. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Come to my restaurant. I got you. All right?
I'm really trying.
Guys, keep it locked. Yeah, I can cook and I can shoot.
Definitely. The proof is right there. And the terrorists.
Gossip. Keep it locked. So we do it. Cooking with love. Crazy. Different way.
DPS
Nice.
every day. Always there when you need us.
You gotta teach me that one. Hey.
Alright, next up to I always dance when cooties. You are watching Cooking with Love. Keep it locked.